The patients currently are at around 6.
And so we have taken stock of the schools that have been built, the water projects that have been installed, the social projects which have been transformative to the community. Those are the mentorship programs that have helped, especially with our young people, our youth and the communities, integrating them with the truth and being able to transform their lives. And also the Mjanaheri Ngomeni road project, which is actually a star project for this initiative, which we have received an update that the contractor is already on the ground. You would be aware that His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, recently commissioned the construction of the road, and therefore we are here to take stock. We have the confidence that the contractor will be able to deliver within the stipulated timelines, and by December, January, we should be able to launch the completed road.
The program started way back in 2023, and now we are finalizing. It's supposed to end next year, and we have remained with two main activities. The already commenced road project that has been launched, as said by our peers, and we are also equipping the already built ICU and HDU block at Malindi Sub-County Hospital.